classic look. You're going to see the brushed nickel. The classic look is perfect for those who love the clean, bright, white feel. They usually want to decorate coastal, as you can see what our decorators have done here. There's a lot of blues and white.
Yeah.
Feels like you're in a nice modern beach home, coastal life, but the classic is always a favorite. Within this look, you'll have 6 different color palettes as far as the cabinets and countertops go. But this is a big one, again, for those who want that clean, bright, white, modern, elegant coastal. What we'll see next door is sort of the opposite vibe.